Have you ever wondered why some Fiverr sellers consistently rank on the first page, while others struggle to even get noticed? The truth is, ranking number one on Fiverr isn't about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and understanding how the platform's search algorithm works. Today, we're revealing the Fiverr gig secrets that can help you climb to the top and turn your profile into a client magnet. It all starts with keyword research. Before you publish your gig, type your service in the Fiverr search bar and notice the auto-suggestions. These are the exact phrases buyers are using. Include those keywords naturally in your gig title, description, and tags. Don't use generic titles like "I will design a logo." Instead, go for something eye-catching like "I will design a modern minimalist logo that defines your brand identity." Your thumbnail is the next big factor. Make it clean, professional, and easy to read. With short text like "top seller," "fast delivery," or "100% satisfaction." Then comes your gig description. Focus on what the buyer gains, not just what you offer. Write in simple, confident language, use bullet points, and finish with a strong call to action like, "Let's make your idea a reality. Order now." Fiverr's algorithm also tracks your response rate, delivery time, completion rate, and buyer satisfaction. So be responsive, deliver on time, and communicate clearly. Treat every order like a partnership, not just a transaction. Your pricing strategy also matters. Create clear and logical packages that show real value differences. Instead of racing to the bottom with the cheapest prices, build trust with quality, consistency, and professionalism. You can even include small extras like free consultation or priority delivery to make your gig more attractive. Don't forget to promote your gigs outside Fiverr. Share them on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook, and join freelancer groups where potential clients hang out. Fiverr rewards gigs that bring outside traffic. Reviews are gold. A single 5-star rating can help you move up faster. So always deliver outstanding results and politely ask satisfied clients to leave feedback. If you're new, start small, over-deliver, and focus on one niche to build authority. You can also add a short intro video. Fiverr itself says gigs with videos get 40% more orders because they build instant trust. Keep optimizing your gigs every few weeks. Update keywords, refresh thumbnails, and stay consistent. Remember, ranking number one is not just about the algorithm, it's about your attitude. Be reliable, polite, and passionate about helping your clients achieve results. Stay online, stay consistent, and always learn from top sellers in your niche. Over time, your Fiverr profile will evolve from a side hustle into a trusted digital brand that attracts clients from all over the world. So, if you want to rank number one on Fiverr, don't just post a gig and wait. Research smartly, engage actively, deliver value endlessly, and watch your freelancing career rise to the